Temple Road.
Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are visiting Birla Ganpati temple which is near Talegaon.
If you are coming from Pune on old Mumbai Highway, you have to take left turn after Somatne and approx 500 meters you can reach to the base of this temple.
The surrounding is very pleasant and green. There is a big nursery on the base of the temple. There are many workers who manage and maintain this nursery. Lot of varieties of plants are available over here and even the cost is very cheap.
We have reached the base of the temple and have to climb around 200 odd steps to reach on the top. After climbing 200 steps, you get a view of this beautiful 72 feet Ganapathi idol.
It is a very peaceful temple and a good place to visit in Pune.
Good time to visit this place is in the evening. You can consider spending a couple of hours. There is another temple called Travelfreak.Rakesh that is around 2 kilometers from here. If you are coming here, you can plan to visit that temple as well. That's all from here. We will see you in the next video.
And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Until then, goodbye, take care, be safe. Bye bye.